I'm Antoine de Villiers, and this happened to be my work. My husband TJ has had tinnitus since I met him 25 years ago, and he recently seen Dr. Caroline Zook, and it has been absolutely life-changing. For the first time, he can actually be part of conversations. We don't have as many misunderstandings, and what has been huge is he said that he can actually forget about his tinnitus, which he has never been able to do before, and it is, I think, his third or fourth hearing aids that he's had, and it's absolutely life-changing. I'm so grateful to Dr. Zook.